Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journeys family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, I am doing a video on how I make pepper powder. I have dehydrated a bunch of my peppers in the oven. I link a video here to show you how to do that. I do it with just the light. You can do it in the oven and turn it on. If your temperature goes below 200, you should dehydrate around 170. I think it's the highest, maybe 190. So I just turn the oven light on because it keeps it warm in there, but not hot or anything. So I'll link that video there. And also, how I'm going to do this today, I'm going to use my NutriBullet, put them in there. But first I have to pull off the stems from off of these peppers, and then we'll put them in there. Probably could leave the stems on, but I'm going to pull them off and put them in my loamy composter. So, all right, here we are using this blade. And I'm just gonna break them off and put them in there. Probably should have on gloves, but I'm not. Just gonna break the tips and keep it moving. Trying to get the whole top off, but it won't make a whole lot of difference. That's the one that we've been waiting on forever. I'm gonna leave the seeds in here as well. That one is dry, but it ain't all the way dry. But you just break the tips off of it. Some people cut them before they dehydrate them. I don't, since I'm doing them in the oven and ain't nothing in the oven, and I don't need small pieces. In the dehydrator, you may have to, but in the oven, I think it's fine. They probably dehydrate faster if I cut them, but you know, that's just me being lazy. Do you guys make pepper powder? Or I use dried mushrooms and make mushroom powder. I have that video of that as well. I'll link it up here. I don't know which way it'll be. I never remember which side to point to. So I can link that video as well. I just like making my own stuff, so you know what's in it. I ain't no good. So you know what's in it, and you're not eating a bunch of stuff that's no good for you, because you don't know what they put in it. A lot of them, if you read the back of them, they have silicone. I don't want to eat silicone. I don't know about nobody else, but me personally, I don't want to eat silicone. So I make sure I read the back of everything for that purpose, because again, I don't want to eat silicone. I don't think anybody should be eating silicone. I don't think they should be putting that in our food, but they just allow so much in our food here in the United States that other countries do not allow. And I don't want that. I don't want that. I didn't know if all of them would fit in here, but they're fitting in here just fine. Broke off the wrong end. And make sure I'm going to wash my hands really good afterwards, because still put the wrong end in there. Oh well, it's a stem. It ain't going to kill you. Because I touched my eye once before with a jalapeno pepper, and that is not fun. Probably should have on gloves, but oh well. This thing is dried to a crisp. I use that for something else. Then I'm going to take this and just dump it in my composter. All right. And here we have it. We're going to put it on here. I don't have anything to put it in yet, so let me look for that while I wait. All right. Made about that much. Open it with care because that pepper will have you sneezing. And what I do, I got an old, this is a black pepper bottle. Ooh, it's strong. And I'm just going to pour it in here. It's more hot in here than not. A bunch of jalapenos and serranos. All right, that's it. All right, let me move the camera back up. All right, I am going to change this and make it a pepper powder sticker. And just print it out. And then I'm going to change it on here. These are my jars I saved from my organic pepper powder that I get from Sam's, because Costco doesn't sell organic pepper, so I have to get it from Sam's. And I put the sticker on both sides, so no matter which way I put it in the cabinet, I know what it is. This stuff hot because it's still in my nose. That is it for my homemade pepper powder. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's very easy. The hardest part is growing them. Recommend either doing it in the oven or doing a dehydrated. Do it in a dehydrated, probably take a day or two to get it done. Mine's been sitting in there dehydrating forever. So anyway, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you have any comments below, I'll be sure to check them and respond. I respond to just about every comment that I have, because I don't have that many. But anyway, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.